Nina udhocha ingi musiaisya twende na vilingi wa mauvo. Muvia wa Koti JSC nukwikwatiw'a kuvingua Koti wa Kuthinikia Syiko Sya Andu Kuthoow'A na ila siendee na kwikinyiia muno vanthi ya Kenya. Musili wa makoani kotini ula uthinikiaa makoani ala matungwa iko wa avilu muwandu Roselyn Nambunye easya ivinda nivikie kuminana na thina usu vyu. Benjamin Mwaka no kutunengelelia mauvo.
Mathina maumanthi kwambata kwa ngalama mikalile na mwa ivalua sya kwikwatiw'a Kenya ni imwe katwa sindu nene ila sithitwe isukuma mwika ingi ngina nthi cia Arabuni kumantha mawia. Faith Murunga ni umwa ene nthela maasa mathayu ngalikoni isu kwa ilungu ya mwaka umwe na nusu. Asyokie va Kenya musi ena malanga ma mauvivye ateo we atungia ngai Muvia ethayu.
Hata kama nilikuja na alama ya mkono, alichoma mkono yangu, lakini nashukuru Mungu nilikuja nikiwa salama. Idadi ya wasichana kwenda huko sai inaongezeka. Sai inaongezeka, iko mingi sana. Wasichana wanaenda mchana na usiku kwa sababu hapa Kenya maisha imekuwa ngumu. Msichana atoroki kwa sababu anataka kutoroka, anatoroka kwa sababu ile situation ama ile maisha ambayo amepata huko. For example, umeambiwa kwa contract unaenda kufanya kazi kwa nyumba ya watu 5. Ufike huko unapata nyumba ni ya watu 10, 15, 20, wengine hata wanakuanga hadi 20. Ina depend, namba inakuwa kubwa, si ile namba ilikuwa kwa contract. Unaona, the more namba ni kubwa ni the more kazi inakuwa mingi.
Kwianana na Faith ni kananua ilembe kwamba umana undu wa kuvika na kusioka kuma Arabuni kutetheka kana kwitethukanya we thiamite koni ya mabosi ya thuku nundu maundu ni mavinduka.
Jua haki yako. Kitu ya pili, kuwa vigilant wewe mwenyewe. Kitu ya tatu, jua ni in case ukipata sio vile kuko, jua vile unaweza jisaidia. Hizo knowledge zote toka nazo hapa kwenu nyumbani.
Kanisa wa Katoliki kwisila ngwatanio ne kundi ya Rat Kenya ni siambiisye matambia mavamwe kwisila kanisa no kana kusomethya asyai syana na amwika hundu wa kukutana na ndambuka sya kiwia nthi isya Warabuni na ila meusianisya na viasala wa kuthoosya andu ukomboni, yani human trafficking.
Everyone belongs to a church. Everyone belongs to a faith organization somewhere. And so if we are targeting the church ministers, at least they can be able to create an awareness to the entire community, even at the grassroots level, so that people get to understand that this is not a good thing.
It is not only a responsibility, but it is also a call that the church must also be part of the multidisciplinary teams working together and coming on board. And the church must always be on the front line, because, as I said, being the conscience of the society, the church must also be at the front line, trying to see that it gives her most valuable support in terms of helping other agents in the society to bring about this kind of desired results that we want to see in the world today.
Father Peterson Degwa kuma Diocese ya Nyeri wetano ngina ene nthi matavue kana kuthukuma nthi syanza tio thuku. Ateo mitalatila yao yu ya kumantha mawia nthi ii yanena viasala wa ukombo wa miaka ni kauta mivitu na nongina waliulwe.
The church must always take care and must always be there reaching out and trying to see ways of helping them. This could be offering psychosocial support. This could be by creating safe spaces. This could be through advocacy, trying to petition government agencies and security agencies, nationally and internationally, and collaborate with other like-minded partners, so that together in that spirit of collaboration, we can really see that we bring about this aspect of prevention and also taking care of the victims of human trafficking.
Nake Musili wa makoani kotini wa avilu muwandu Roselyn Nambunye niwawetekana Muvia wa Musili wa makoani niwosete undu na wito na omituki ni Wiseuvya Koti mwana kwithukisya makoani kukonya lusani nthino wa kumanthia na kutwaa andu mawiani ano nthi syanza.
We face challenges, courts and even the prosecution, they face challenges of where to keep the would-be witnesses. And because of that, we have put in a request to see if we can have specialized courts for human trafficking. It will not require training. The manpower will still be the same. Once a case is reported, evidence should be recorded from the victims as soon as possible so that arrangements are made for them to be taken back to their place or otherwise.
Muwandu Roselyn weta no kana kulunga uthukumio no ngina silikali itwa isimawiyano na nthi isyanza nukwikia mitaratara ya kimia o kulunga mauthukumiano kwisila ngwatanio ya nthi kuthi nthi ila ingi.
If this sector can be owned by the government, be properly regulated and properly regulated both here and overseas, I think that will assist. Joblessness here is a problem. Out there, maybe there is openings. What we need is to be properly documented, properly regulated, and then welfare the other side, so that if I have problem, I have somewhere where I can go to.
Dilivotia vilingi wa mauvo kumava musino wa Ilovi nyenito Benjamin Mwaka.